Batisi TV Lone Rashapi Daka Frank Motors Kajaka Dekali Gabatamai Junka Tata Motors Halatko Ni Shillong Rinkat Bakanet Foodish Ordar Mapi Ninwan Ramani Hakir Dobiying Jompi Da ki spangut ki samla ki badang pule ke kelas 12 na ki jaka pule bapher ki badan hari boy bingi ki lalat banya shimbenta ke career guidance program bala penlong de ribhoy socio economic and youth development society ha plau jong ke little flower school ka badan ha kasnong maubri ribhoy kajing temu ke bakongsan ba ke Rseyds kala penlong jaga ne kajing ajing hikai kalong ban penslor ki samla pule ha ka them ribhoy bakin nang keo ha ki jing pule bakin la ban teng yi ki jing pule ki ba kham shalor rasdang yi ne jing ai jing hikai de jing don lang jong u MLA ka umroi constituency uba George B Lingdo uba Cornelius lalu unong tho khubor na ribhoi district ki sister ki nongelam snom ki nongelam jong ka Rseyds bakin top ya uba comfort rempei uba dai president bat uba percha bor rempei uba dai secretary.
Before me, that means in the year 1996, there was no class 12. 95, sorry. There was no class 12. There was what we call PU, pre-university. And now we call it 11, 12. So that time we used to call it PU first year and PU second year. We were the first batch of 11, 12. And nobody was prepared. State government was not prepared. The MOs was not prepared. Our colleges were not prepared. Shifting from PU, which was actually before it was held by NEBU, but then the responsibility came to MOs for class 11. There were no question papers. There were no batches before us who had attended class 11. It was a tough time. We currently, I think, you attempt for 100 marks, the papers, yes or no? We had 200 marks. So imagine whether to write for 50 or whether to write for 100. We were all confused, entire batch. When we asked our teachers also, they were also similarly confused. It was a challenging time. But then, after clearing my class 12 in science, again came another confusion. Whether to go medical, whether to go engineering, whether to join BSc, again confusion. Because there was nobody to guide us. Then, suddenly one day, after getting our class 12 results, we were like all these sheep and cows, together with friends, 10, 12 of us. We went from one office to the other, asking for forms, application forms. And somebody said, let's go to this office, we'll get engineering forms from here. So we all went. Again, nobody to ask. When I asked my dad how to fill this form, he also said, I don't know. Then we get more confused. Then finally, I got my admissions in one college in Nagpur. Where is the city of Nagpur? Which state? Which state? Bahame says Maharashtra. Since he has been there, he is a national champion, so he knows. Nagpur is the city which is directly in the center of India. The center of India. Geographically, if you join the latitudes and the longitudes, the 0 point is Nagpur. Very hot city. 50 degrees. And for 4 years, when we did our engineering, the first class we attended was in Marathi language. So difficult. Or this fellow, this teacher was talking in Marathi and then we did not know. Tough time.
Nama let's say kami paju pergi mana pergi let's school. Bunda kena kami tang bapa pak kami pas school balik. Iwan school klaim dalam kata jingmu apa yang menjadi. Ternyata kadang orang bang habaq Iwan school kleri benda kata purpose apa yang menjadi. Lagi kau belum engineer, lagi kau belum doktor. Lagi kuat belum father, lagi kuat belum sister, lagi kuat belum officer, kumta terter. Let's say habis nung belum di bunsin ni, balai ni duna kita di start benang, di bawah semua. Kadang ni belum bangun dan kita kah, jika andut nadu komersil, tang bawa school, nasuan school, nasulet college, nasulet. Sekijing college ni. Kan betul-betul kalau kerja anglut apa, email pai lah hari yang balik school, nggak ada belum doktor. Email pai lah hari yang balik school, nggak ada belum engineer. Nama anda pintar kena katong hari ini berjoki, pintar lah orang poi saya katong jom beting berjoki. Dah penukung sim bagi kami pai jom pergi hari ini school, bagi long beriu man lasai lesis ni. Abang kadang sebut film kami ke jinggai sebut gue, ke jinggai sebut mimpan, ke jinggai sebut film kai, ke jinggai sebut ibahalor. Let's say habis nung kita jumpi, nadu pino ilam sinong, Samla, di melakau semua. Pilih besar, pilih berfukun. Lada uti, ulah konung betul balik yang Allah. Lada uti, ulah konung ayes balik yang Allah. Katakan katong gawa pilih berdon hak kecil jumpi. Atau khususi usah kami pada kami hari ini orang school. Hak apa kadu pas BA untuk tanggal jam. Sudah mukum bayi ulang itu diberi bomban dengan kristal. You have to differentiate yourself with the others, with the illiterate people. You are educated person. You have to differentiate yourself that I am educated person. You have to compete with this world. The spirit of competitive you should have in your life. If you don't have the spirit of competitive, you will reach nowhere. Nah, kadang itu bangga kuai itu. Ngaya deh ngawan dari bodoh. Imei pai pas punya. Henry deh kerja sistem kerja, deh kerja IT kerja, kerja kuliah kerja. Koi wala dah ngamla belum tu engineer, wala dah ngamla belum tu IAS. Henry yang ada ngalala makin kimia ada. Kajing semua bagi kami paju pergi hari di school. Kami bagi semua kampai. Kami tu iyo pun berdek dia. Kalau bakadu kimpoi sesi itu. Kami paju pergi hari di school belum survive. Survival of the fittest, yang mau different. Survival of the fittest. If you are not fit, nowadays you reach nowhere. You should be a fit person. Nanti kadang kuat bah nanti ni kita school ni. Let's say we meet MLA. Let's say meet engineer. Let's say meet YS, MPS, MCS. Katakan kita anut bagi pilih benda macam lada kuat iban wan school tak berpuluh kali kuat kabah bagi school. Hamdan timur, lada pindah katakan, thong kejadian jumpi. Nanti tak ada pun di school. Nadu mentah dari besar. Yang kata kalian berjumpi, yang kata kalian berjumpi dari besar. Lakada di belong, hakana belum bertahan dari besar lupa. Jadi kalau pun poin setelah thong, jadi tak kaji Kristum. Hard work bagi orang tengok. Hard work jadi Kristum. Kaji surit, humility. Tentang kini kisi Jingmyntoi ini, let's say lah orang bah, ikna, kita suka apa berkurang. Lada pindah kerja start kerja nang, tak bah pindah dulu, lada pindah tak apa berkurang, pindah poin sisi. Kenapa kalau kita belum bersulit, kemudian kita apa berkurang, terus ke disiplin, lada bila mulai kita, kita bun, kini rap ini, kita tiu ini. Let's say nata Kadang-kadang ini we kena imdon tak kon kurang. Wat mana pasal nang kundungan aktiviti. Kundungan oblivi. Ande dalam ini bab ini kita kena badal ko ibadal ko kurang. Nado baktim kasi ay ni kita tumen ni di balhe asan. Yang tinggal yang sama ni dia berkati. Ngai ada orang pi bangade beriu besar. Ladang amde beriu besar, amlong tu bangalong tu ne. Ni kawan nak school nong kendong, nimdon kat foundation. Tentang hak subjek English ni kan nak kasih. Tapi kajing school kita pi beriu tin dan pi. Dengan kuat, begini di kena school, kita concentrate lagi jeng kuliah pi. Benar kamu, time and tight wait for them. Kapon, ane kamu saw kamu jawab ni dulu. Season balik. Mentah anak kita bilang kosong mentah. Anak kita belum engineer, anak kita belum doktor. Lesen orang belum hafne bapun nabi. Kita sama play di gua hari itu. We are coming from the poor family. Your parents cannot afford to send you to Delhi, to send you to Mumbai. So what you need to do? You have to work hard. Kalau kita belum doktor main sah. Mentah market place again here, more or less 50 lakhs, 60 lakhs. From where your parents will get this money? Work hard. Kalau preparation term, you get state quota. State quota, you don't come and put me family yourself. Om don't come and put besar. You kejiran dalam government, hadin lebih lawan doktor bisa simpan suki. Tum kita ni don't come ban guide and ban advice suki. Nada orang nampak nara experience. Om tak kena politik kawan-kawan. Ngalayat si Mauti, ngalayat si Jirang, ngalayat Tumsing. Habarok kitong kita yang berboy. Jadi bagi kita ni they are still lacking behind. Balik, bumdan kita ke proper guidance. Proper guidance kali bersedang ngadu lagi, hasil ngapau, berhadu school. Telada pilih kita kena bersetu. Ikna bersyukur ibu kuat siapa belum beri waktu. Terus tu.
So one kind of education. First education is that I need to know how to make my living. I must find out some job, some way I have to do things. Then only I can find my financial support to continue my studies. And secondly, teaches us how to live. It's not enough only to have money in life. It's not everything. You may have so much money, but you don't know how to use your money, how to live your life properly, in a dignified way in the society. That is called a dignified way of living in the society. And to be more helpful to others, through my education, through my job, through my way of doing things, I must be useful to others.
You are the future. You are the future. So before we go into further discussions and into the program, I would like to introduce ourselves first. Who are us? Why are we here? And why did we call you for this program? So this program is actually designed and conceived by Rseyds Socio-Economic and Youth Development Society. This society is actually the youth. It is from the youth of this from Rseyds. I belong from Rseyds. Yes, I do stay in Shillong, but my heart is still here in Rseyds.